Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a simple homemade smoked salmon and crab stick poke bowl recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have a slice of string onion, a slice of half piece of avocado, strips of carrot, a piece of cucumber cut into cubes, some white sesame seeds, 2 pieces of nori, smoked salmon, 4 pieces of crab sticks, and already boiled rice. Here I use small rice, but you can boil any rice of your choice, and corn. Let's get started. With our empty bowl, let's put in our prepared rice. Let's spread and flatten. Then set aside. Now let's strip our crab sticks. Done. Set aside. And now let's cut our nori sheets. Cut into half and cut again. And let's cut a strip. Yes. Done with the other one. Now let's cut the second one. Cut into half again, the same procedure. And fold it and cut again into half. And done. Set aside. Now let's put all our ingredients to our bowl. Now let's put our prepared salmon. And our sliced avocado. Our strips, carrot. Cucumber. And our corn. Our strips, crab sticks, and our sliced onion, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And let's put our cat nori. And done. Now let's put soya sauce. A sushi ginger. Our simple smoked salmon and crab stick poke bowl recipe is ready to serve.